In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy spreads on Robinhood. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Robinhood on either your desktop or your smartphone device. And then from here, you'll need to navigate over to the account settings, click on option trading, and apply for the necessary level, which is level 2 for basic vertical spreads. From here, you'll need to search for a stock, select trade, and then trade option. From here, you'll need to use the builder tool to structure multi-leg trades like vertical spreads, straddles, or condors. Step 3 is to select a strategy. And to do that, you'll need to choose between a debit spread, buying, or a credit spread, which is selling, based on your outlook. Step 4. Adjust strikes and expirations. Here you can set your desired expiration date and choose the strike prices for both legs and the spread. Step 5. Here you can check the max profit, max loss, and collateral required before swiping to execute the trade. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!